I'm Jim Houston with your play-by-play. In the booth with me is Craig Simpson.
Jim, the excitement in this building is incredible. The players and the fans are really pumped up for this one.
Moved up. Along the boards. Landeskog finds the loose puck. Case runs over Duchesne. Centers it.
Line two! Line three!
Eric Johnson dumps the puck in. Lundqvist hangs on for the whistle.
Really goes the extra mile to help out. Nomination forms for our...
McKinnon takes control of the puck. Fishy gets hammered. McKinnon nails Fishy. Peary takes possession of the puck. That's offside. The faceoff goes to the Rangers. Gradner scoops up the loose puck. Rene Bourque, Colorado, scooped it up. Grigorenko. Gradner takes control. Zuccarello has it. Zigbanja corrals it in over the line. Zigbanja skewers Verkac. McKinnon. In the corner, Soderberg has the puck. Colorado picked it up. Boscheman. Nash. Wrist shot from the slot. New York with it now. Holden. Como got it.
Line one!
Buchnevich. New York gobbles it up. Rick Nash gets checked. Rantanen. The Avalanche dump the puck in. He gets a hold of it. Ryder. Colorado picked it up. Lundqvist hangs on for the whistle.
Why not eat during the game? Our arena restaurant offers great food with spectacular views.
This man's got tremendous concentration.
And he uses it well on the draws. Just watch the way his team lines up. They know he's going to win it.
Duchesne gets the loose puck. Landeskog gets pushed. Landeskog with the puck. Ryder. Stefan has his pocket pick. Duchesne. Played up. Advances the puck. Putin finds the loose puck. Rene Bourque has his pocket pick.
Line four!
Moved up.
Line two!
And out they come with a puck. Como scoops up the loose puck. Fires! Holden gets in the way. McKinnon gets the loose puck.
Line three! You're out!
Gradner
Line
takes
three!
it. Gradner gets checked.
Nice timing on that one.
Boscheman grabs the puck. Como. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. Verkac jumps on the loose puck out over the blue line. Into the attacking zone. Colborne gets crushed. Short pass. Putin scoops up the loose puck. Colborne. Colorado takes over. McDonough intercepts the pass. In over the line. Played up. Moved ahead. Putin grabs the puck. Mitchell. Colorado has it now.
Line one, get up there!
Rene Bourque turned away.
What a save off the blocker.
Quick pass up. Moved up. Zuccarello with a wrist shot.
Competitive play in the
Out of their defensive end. Played up. Wrist shot. Smith stops the shot. Zuccarello gets pushed off the puck. Over the line. And that concludes the first period. Colorado is looking for the tiebreaker.
The simple thing to do is fire it at the goalie and get your guys to drive to the net.
our emblem.
Second period's about to start.
We should see lots of early pressure, Jim, as both sides try to set the tone.
Passed across. Quick pass up. Up along the boards. Lundqvist intercepts the pass. Moved up. Varlamov closes the door. Icing against Colorado. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Stefan jumps on the loose puck. Kreider had his pocket pick. Colborne. In all alone. Show.
Great heads-up play by the defender.
Lundqvist gets the blocker on it. And out they come with a puck. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. Centered. Hayes. Mitchell gets the loose puck. Breakaway with a wrist shot. Lundqvist gets a leg on it. Mitchell scores!
Let go of the wrist shot, and it paid off handsomely with that goal.
That's right. You don't always have to wind up with a big slapper to get it past the keeper. Colorado has the first goal of the game.
Came at a good time, too. Now they've got the rest of the second period to build on it.
Smith, he gets hold of the puck. Brings it out. Wrist shot. Lundqvist stabs at it. Pass to head. Quick pass up. Zibanejad takes possession of the puck. Zuccarello gets shoved over the blue line. Advances the puck. Fires! Off the post. Played up. Ahead to the neutral zone with a wrist shot. Lundqvist denies him. Vucinovic grabs the puck. The Rangers dump it in. Girardi has it. Delayed penalty coming up for Colorado. Boscheman is going off for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. Colorado will need to work the clock and just get through this.
No, not necessarily, Jim. They've been known to score shorthanded. They may try to go on the attack.
Moved ahead. Into the attacking zone. Advances the puck. Varlamov turned the shot away. Intercepted behind the net. Kreider gets hold of the puck. Mark Stahl. Landeskog pushes him. He takes possession of the puck. The Avalanche dump it. Stefan scoops it up. Landeskog. He dumps it in. Stefan. Grabbed by Colorado. Holden now has it. Quick shot from the right. Saved by Varlamov. Rick Nash. Quick pass up. Barry gets in the way. Played up. Moved ahead. Advances the puck. Holden gets the loose puck. Shoved. That's tough to take. Passed ahead. Played back. Holden, wrist shot, blocked. Barry takes control of the puck. Boscheman leaves the box. That means his team is no longer shorthanded. Centered. Barry takes possession of the puck. The Avalanche dump it in. Kreider gets a hold of it. Stahl has it now. Stefan now with it. McKinnon takes control. Mitchell gets pushed. Delayed call against New York. Hooking. Kreider will serve time for hooking.
Take a look at the replay, and it's crystal clear what happened. Keep your eye on his stick.
Colorado sees their chance with this power play.
And this is as good a chance in this game as they're likely to get.
2 minutes for hooking.
With a wrist shot, stoned by Lundqvist.
Off the pads for the save.
Out over the blue line, Mark Stahl scoops up the loose puck. And out they come with a puck. Passed ahead. Offside against Colorado. We're ready for the faceoff. McKinnon grabs the puck. Shoved. Vucinovic finds the loose puck. Soderberg. Soderberg, wrist shot. He corrals it. One-time shot. Scores on the power play.
He stepped into that shot big time and put it past the goalie.
The one-timer is hockey's quick strike, and he hammered that one home. Now let's see if they can extend this lead even further.
Yeah, and they've got half a game left to try.
Offside.
Assisted by number 34, Harold.
They're getting ready for the face-off.
By number 32, Francois Beauchamp.
Rene Bourque dumps the puck in. New York takes possession. Zibanejad. Grabner corrals it. Grabner grabs it. Zuccarello. He takes possession. Zibanejad. Got it. Nieto. Zibanejad intercepts the puck. Out over the blue line. Fast. Intercepts the pass. McDonough gets muscled off the puck. Offside. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Colorado. Buchnevich takes possession of the puck. Rantanen.
No, the hometown fans do not like that.
Advances the puck. In over the line. Moved up.
Line 2, you're out.
Duchesne
Get up
dumps
there.
the puck in. Grabbed by New York. Ryder.
Last minute.
Buchnevich has it.
Second period.
Backhanded. Turned away by Varlamov. McDonough. Shoved.
They'll be looking over their shoulders now.
McDonough jumps on the loose puck. Blocked. Backhand shot.
Or perhaps a refreshing beverage, our concession stands offer great food at reasonable prices.
Hello again and welcome to the third period.
A couple of goals separating the teams. Let's drop the puck to see how it plays out.
Mitchell won the faceoff. Turned over in the neutral zone. Scores!
He had a couple of choices, but he decided to put this one top shelf. He really rifled that one-timer home.
They say a quick release is more important than accuracy at the NHL level. The goalies won't argue with that one. Played up.
Scored by number
Over the
36,
line.
Max Zuccarello.
Rantanen. McDonough with the puck. The Rangers clear it safely out. And that's icing. Soderberg takes control of the puck. Beauchemin gets the shot off. Lundqvist made the pad save. Moved ahead. Sutterov grabs the puck. Grabner. Como finds it. Out of their defensive end. Advances the puck. Up through center. Brings it in. Shea runs over McKinnon. McKinnon finds the loose puck. Stefan shoves him. McKinnon scoops up the loose puck. And out they come with the puck. The Avalanche dump the puck in. Mark Stahl has it now. Stefan. In over the line. But scores!
Talk about a great goal. That was one for the highlight reel. The one-timer is a deadly combination when it's well executed. It gives the goalie no time to react.
Midway through the third, and it's anyone's game.
Now, if someone's going to play the hero, they better do it fast.
Buchnevich.
Through the neutral zone, moved up. Holden takes control of the puck.
27, Ryan McDonough.
Backhand, Vertkach stops the shot. Mitchell jumps on the loose puck. Lundqvist gets a leg on it.
He uses the pads and makes the save.
Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Berry gets hold of the puck. Zibanejad. Varlamov stabs at it. Eric Johnson scoops up the loose puck. Duchesne. Landeskog gets checked. Shea takes possession of the puck. Out over the blue line. Centered. Grabner gets rubbed off the puck. Landeskog grabbed it. Beauchemin shot quickly. Ryder jumps on it. Brings it out. Hayes. He grabs the puck. New York wins the race and beats out the icing call. Colorado picks it off. Stefan runs over Soderberg, brings it in. Boscheman with the puck. Como. He gets pushed.
A solid check right there with a slap shot.
Lundqvist made the pad save. Como knocked him off the puck. Taken by New York. Holden.
Line 4!
Verkac in control now. Como rips a shot. Shea advances the puck. In over the line. Working along the perimeter. Verkac runs over Brick Nash. Played up.
Line 1!
Out over the blue line. Duchesne gets the loose puck. Rantanen returns it. Backhands it. Colorado takes over. Smith gets nailed. The ref indicates a delayed call against New York. Shea will go to the box for hooking.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. And that means 2 minutes in the box.
They're getting ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Backhanded shot. Blocked. Stahl takes control of the puck. And out they come with the puck. Out over the blue line. Moved ahead. Advances the puck. Stahl knocked him off the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Passed ahead. Moved ahead. At center. Berry with a wrist shot. Advances the puck. Gets the shot off. Lundqvist stabs at it. The score is tied, and time is starting to become a factor.
Well, at this stage, both teams are going to start playing more conservatively. Now they'll wait for overtime to make a move.
Quick pass up. Como gets hold of the puck. Lundqvist stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Soderberg with the puck. Center off. Blistering shot. Soderberg gets in the way. And they get called for icing. The puck is about to be dropped. The faceoff goes to the Rangers. Ryder scoops up the loose puck. Hayes fires it. Colorado got it. Smith. Shea puts an end to this power play as his penalty is over. Moved ahead. Breakaway. Smith grabs the puck. Ryder grabs it. Hayes is in the clear. Landeskog pushes Ryder. Rantanen. He scoops up the loose puck. Holden shoves Rantanen. Holden with the puck. Kreider gets it. Quick shot. Lundqvist hangs on for the whistle. The players are lining up at the faceoff circle. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Holden jumps on the loose puck. Brings it out. Moved up. Vuchnevich gives it up. McKinnon into the attacking zone. Shoots the puck. Leg save by Lundqvist. Lundqvist freezes the puck. Colorado is taking advantage of face-off situations.
Now this has helped them control the tempo. The results on the scoreboard speak for themselves. Now the game turns to strategy. In overtime, both teams will pace themselves and try to avoid a defensive breakdown.
We're ready to start the first period of overtime.
Yeah, and we'll be here as long as it takes to decide a winner.
Across, played up. Moved ahead. Turned over at the blue line. The Avalanche dumped the puck in. Stahl picked it up. He gets checked.
You'll have to be faster than that.
Kreider takes control of the puck. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. Colorado has won most of the draws so far.
And that's had a big impact on their play. We've seen it again and again in this game.
Hayes with the puck. Duchesne crushes him. Landeskog jumps on the loose puck. Rantanen over the line. This shot. McDonough stops the shot. Ahead to the neutral zone. Stefan dumps the puck in. Jumped on by Colorado. He levels Stefan.
Line 3!
To Eric Johnson. Finds the loose puck. Landeskog. He gets shoved.
Some definite contact.
Shoots it quickly. Smith gets in the way. Turned away.
What a save off the blocker.
Gradner. He knocked him off the puck. Zibanejad scoops it up. Gradner dumps it in. Verkoch takes possession. Colborne takes it.
Line 1!
Working along the perimeter. Colborne. Smith takes control of the puck. Zuccarello dumps it in on the end boards. Gradner got it. With a wrist shot, Lundqvist turns him away. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. Ryder Verkoch stops the shot. Colborne with the puck. In all alone. Shoots. Turned away by Lundqvist. Stahl gives scores. Put it in the books. New York has given up the losing goal.
It looked like they were just going through the motions in this contest.
I'd say that their lack of physical play directly resulted in the loss tonight.
There's nothing as lethal as a quick and accurate wrist shot.
The goalie will be seeing that one in his nightmares.
Number 36, Max Zuccarello.
From the Pepsi Center in Denver, Colorado. That's it for another one. This is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson. See you next time.